Hey traders, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Wednesday, March 8th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you're done, so let's move on. Here, looking at the tick US model, continuation trend day lower. You can see yesterday's close was higher than today's close. Moving average ribbon longer term itself, that is starting to trend lower, starting to invert. We have railroad tracks down. Lastly, filter tick. Did see a significant amount of selling today there, and new lows outpacing new highs. So all in all, not a constructive day there if you're a bull. Tick ARCX model, again, you can see waterfall move down lower today, persist throughout the session. Moving average tick is fully inverted and is starting to trend lower. Again, not constructive here. Moving on to the SPY Gamma dashboards from this morning. We had 405 was kind of the first Gamma level liquidity zone higher. 400, this has been a dominant liquidity zone Gamma level for quite some time now. We did settle right below that. We have been noting that Gamma structure itself has been improving, meaning we're starting to see a lot more call. Deltas replace what was once purely negative delta complex. However, now we are above 400. For the bulls, it's going to be key to press above 400. So long as we are below 400, my bias is sideways to lower. Now hitting on price action itself. Here, looking at the index charts, we have SPY, SPX, and QQQ. Did a Twitter post tonight on QQQ, offered multiple opportunities. We had a 0gex to P-trans move, then we saw multiple failures at P-trans. This ties in nicely to the Taiwan Semiconductor example that we did talk about last night on Twitter as well. Again, then we got a reject of 0gex with a push lower. Looking at SPY itself, just visibly looking, 0gex was a key level for the session. Got interaction with it between that and COTMP. Ultimately, we did fail 0gex, got a bit of a break and retest here, and then pressed lower. We did throughout the session again on SPX, similar price action consolidation right at 0gex, then we saw a break lower. Going to some individual stocks. Amazon, you really got the full gauntlet of all different kinds of moves today. There are multiple 0gex to P-trans moves here and here. You had multiple failures at P-trans lower, here. Again, then you had a consolidation right around 0gex and a failure that we were talking about in SPY, SPX there as well. Yeah, so now moving on to kind of tomorrow's price action. First off, looking at the SPY on the daily chart. We had bullish structure forming. That is a higher high, higher low, another higher high, higher low. However, now we put in a lower high. So again, for the bulls, we want to see a continued press higher through that local high that was made today. Now retest the higher high that was made for the bears. Obviously, we want to break this higher low made and continue back down. This is our 5 p.m. Gamma script. SPY, again, you can see just those levels we just hit on. Again, then we have negative trends below us and positive trends above us. Looking at SPX and QQQ, we're hovering right at 0 trends. SPX kind of trapped between 0gex and COTMP. Moving on to some individual stocks. Amazon hovering right around at 0gex level. NVIDIA right around 0gex level. Baba right around 0gex level. Potential play tomorrow if we do get some kind of reversal. 0gex P-trans move would be something I was looking for. However, depending on today's price action, who's to say we do go higher? However, just a potential example of what could happen if something does happen. So with that, best of luck tomorrow, and I will talk to you all tomorrow night. Bye.